Ever felt like your project is stuck? Deadlines are slipping and nothing seems to work. Here's the truth, it's probably not the budget or the timeline. It's the people. That's right. Welcome back to Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today we're diving into stakeholder management, the secret sauce for project success. If you've ever struggled to get buy-in, deal with tricky stakeholders, or align everyone to a shared goal, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have 3 simple strategies to turn stakeholders into allies and keep your project on track. Let's jump in. Step 1 is identifying stakeholders. First, who are your stakeholders? They're anyone who's affected by or has influence over your project. Some are easy to spot, like project sponsors or team leads. But don't forget the indirect stakeholders like customer support teams or external clients who might feel the ripple effects. To identify them, ask yourself, who's impacted by this project? And who has the power to influence its success? For example, in a software rollout, your core stakeholders are the developers and end users, but customer support, who handle user issues, and external clients experiencing changes are stakeholders too. Identifying everyone early sets a strong foundation for success. Step 2 is engaging stakeholders. Engagement. This isn't just about sending updates. It's about building trust by understanding stakeholders' needs and concerns. Not everyone needs the same level of attention. High-impact stakeholders, like executives or sponsors, need frequent, detailed updates. Lower-impact stakeholders, like operational staff, may only need a summary once in a while. Use a stakeholder matrix to map out who needs what type of communication. For example, executives may want weekly updates with a focus on strategy, while the operations team may only need a quick overview of what's changing. Tailoring your communication ensures everyone feels valued and engaged. And engaged stakeholders? They're your biggest allies when challenges arise. Step 3 is managing expectations. Start by being transparent, set clear, realistic objectives from day one, and don't shy away from tough conversations. If something changes, like a delay, communicate it early. Here's an example. Your project hits a snag and the timeline slips. Instead of waiting for the deadline to loom, inform your stakeholders right away. Explain the issue, provide a revised plan, and suggest solutions. This keeps trust intact and gives everyone a chance to adjust. Remember, managing expectations isn't just about updates. It's about showing stakeholders you've got things under control even when challenges arise. So, here's your stakeholder management toolkit. Identify stakeholders, know who's impacted or influential, engage effectively, tailor communication to build trust, manage expectations, be transparent and proactive. Master these 3 steps, and you'll turn potential blockers into champions for your project. Did this video help? If so, hit that like button and share it with your team or anyone managing projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to make your projects a success. Got a tricky stakeholder story? Drop it in the comments. We would love to hear how you handled it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.